Hey there! Welcome back to our marketing research series. If you've been enjoying our content so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button to keep up with all our episodes. Today, in our 26th episode, we're diving deep into the vibrant world of promotion and advertising research. Curious about how brands create those compelling ads? Stick around! Picture this. You're casually browsing online or flipping through channels, and suddenly an ad captures your heart. It speaks to your very soul, echoing, "They just get me." That's no mere coincidence. It's the marvel of meticulous advertising research. This diligence allows businesses not just to shout their message, but to engage in meaningful conversations tailored especially for you. Think of it as tailoring a suit. The perfect fit just feels right. It's about understanding the pulse of the viewer, deciphering the subtleties of their preferences, and being present where they naturally hang out. And while grabbing attention is one thing, leaving a lasting impression is another. A well-researched ad does just that. It lingers, leaves a footprint. With every campaign, with every feedback loop, brands absorb, learn, and iterate. The journey of refining their outreach never truly ends, ensuring that with each interaction, they resonate deeper, strike a stronger chord, and create memories that last. Let's pull back the curtain and venture into the fascinating world behind that ad you recently liked or shared. Picture a bustling backstage, teeming with creative minds, number crunchers, and strategists. Before an ad graces your screen or social feed, it goes through a rigorous journey. Pre-testing acts as the rehearsal phase, refining scripts, pinpointing the right audience, and charting out the media roadmap. Then the spotlight shifts to the ad's performance. Did it strike a chord, evoke emotions, ignite a desire to buy? Once the curtain falls, it's time for introspection, a thorough post-mortem analysis, if you will. What resonated? What fizzled out? Post-testing is that essential debrief that fine-tunes the playbook for the next big show. But here's a fun twist. Brands also play detectives, sneaking peeks into competitors' playbooks. It's like a chess match, always anticipating the next move, finding those unseen gaps, and grabbing golden opportunities. It's a thrilling world, and every piece of research ensures the audience that's you gets the best performance every time. Let's go on a little backstage tour of the advertising world. Sure, surveys are a classic, helping brands pick your brain about that catchy jingle or memorable tagline. But dive a bit deeper and the magic unfolds. Picture yourself in a snug circle with like-minded people dissecting ads over refreshments. That's the charm of focus groups. But wait, things get even cooler. Ever thought of having your eyes spill the beans? Eye tracking studies do just that, decoding where your attention flits and lingers on screen. If that felt futuristic, hold on to your hat. Neuromarketing, with its slick machines like EEGs and fMRIs, dives right into our noggin, unraveling the mysteries of our responses to every color, sound, and word in an ad. And as we wade deeper into the digital realm, A/B testing is like the ultimate gladiator match, where two ads battle it out for your approval. It's this mesmerizing waltz of creativity and tech, all orchestrated to make you feel, think, and sometimes even dream. And that's a wrap on promotion and advertising research. If you ever watch an ad and feel a connection, remember, there's a lot of research and love that went into it. Before you go, if you found this enlightening, do give us a like, subscribe for more, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Next time, we're exploring the world of distribution channel research. So stay curious, And thanks for tuning in.